Hey, I got a new headband light here from Cyansky. This is the HS6R. Look at this thing. Look at all the lights on it. You got your red lights, a spot, and then a flood. Very easy to control. It's running off from a 2600 milliamp 18650. That is 9.36 watt hours of juice. And it comes with a USB-C charger charged through the bottom of it. You don't have to take the battery out. Spare O-ring, and then another Velcro thing for the back plate. And this plate that goes up against your head, I've never seen anything like this. It's very rugged, very, very comfortable. If you're looking for a comfortable headband, this would be the guy. Let me get the battery in, and I'm just going to show you the... You got a side switch here which turns on the, if you hit it once, actually first, it'll show you the battery life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4.1 volts. If you hold it, your focus bulb comes on. If you hit it again, it goes brighter, then the next brightness up, and then turbo. And then back down. Pretty simple. If you press it and hold it, shuts it off. Then your top switch runs the floodlight. Same thing, up, higher, and then your red lights, and then you got red flashing. Hold it, and you shut it off. Here are the specs to it. It's running at 1200 lumens max, and that'll drop down after about, I would say, a minute to 1000 lumens, and that'll reach out to 170 meters. And that is with the main light, and then your auxiliary lights. The brightest you got is 600 lumens, and that'll run 3 hours, and that'll go out to 63 meters. On the lowest setting, you're running 60 hours of runtime on, say, this one here, which is a lot of output. It's pretty awesome. Real good battery life, very comfortable, and very easy UI. Just hit the button, turn it up and down. Hold it off. You can run both at the same time or just one. The adjustment on this thing is awesome with these metal clips in there. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this for a headband. I'm very impressed with it. And as far as the LEDs in it, you're talking, there's one SST40 for the main white light, and then a SST20 for the auxiliary floodlight. Very good LEDs, very pleasing to your eyes. Pretty awesome light. So what I want to do is cut nonsense on this thing, take it outside, and show you the beam shots on it quick. All right, here we are at 62 meters, and here goes this Cyansky headband light on the highest mode. Nice, pleasing, neutral light. Hits it quite easily. You can step it down. Can't really see it. The medium mode. And then the high mode. And the highest mode. Pretty awesome. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's see if it'll do it. Cyansky headband light on the highest mode with a tree at 94 meters. Lights it up pretty good. Even in the background it does. This headlight's amazing. Really like it. Okay, we got a tree line 40 meters out, and we're going to take this Cyansky headband light and go on the high mode. Look at that. Lights are up pretty good. That's the lowest mode right there. Next mode up.
high mode, turbo. Got coyotes howling. Tell you what, let's go into, shut that off. And this here is the flood. Low, medium, and then high. Does a pretty good job, don't it? There's all of them together. Both the low and, or the flood and the spot. Shut that off. This is the red light. Red light blinking. And then low, medium, and high for flood. Pretty nice light, ain't it?
So there you are, the Cyansky HS6R headband light. Very rugged, very unique setup for the headband. Very comfortable. Got a lot of different light modes, flood and spot. You got your red light, red flashing light and whatnot. Pretty awesome light. Need to check that out down below. I'll provide the link for it. Pretty neat headband light if you ask me. So there you go. Till the next time.